Okay, today we're going to be talking about one of the most vital parts of any online business, and that is your email list. And we're going to actually show you how to build an email list for free. So stay tuned. I'm also going to give you a couple of resources again in this towards the end, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, and then you can go and grab those free resources which are going to help you out. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop and go through how you can do this. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to build an email list. Now, an email list is very, very important for a couple of reasons. Obviously, if you build a following and you can then email these people out, you can build trust with them, and you can then get to know them, they can get to know you, and you've got more chance of selling stuff down the line. Also, if you've got an email list, it's traffic that you own. You can drive them to anywhere. You can drive them to an affiliate offer. You could drive them back to your blog or your YouTube channel, wherever. And it's traffic that you actually own. So no one can take that email list away from you. So as long as you build it on a reputable place, then this is going to be a good thing to do for your online business. Even if you've only just started online, I would certainly look at starting to grow your email list. And I'm going to show you today how you can do that for free. Now, a lot of the email autoresponders do give free accounts. Some of them give like a 7-day account, 14 days, even up to a 30 days free account. But we're going to show you somewhere where you can get a free account and there is no time limit. Let's head over and look at AWeber. And as you can see here, you get AWeber free. The only two restrictions you've got, obviously, is you have to have under 500 subscribers and you only get to send 3,000 emails per month. So look at some of the features you get with AWeber on their free account. You can obviously create, you've got a smart designer here, so you can then go and create landing pages. There's a drag and drop email creation. You get a free template library and free auto newsletters. You can obviously create automations, automate tagging, personalized communication, save time. So there's loads of good stuff you can actually get done even with the free account. You've obviously got reports and the data, mobile reports, and you can optimize your efforts. Engage with more people by subscriber management. You've got quick segmentation and targeting, and obviously you can create sign up forms. And the good thing is, if you've got currently using a different service and you're probably either paying an awful lot of money and you don't think you're getting a good service, or they're not delivering your emails correctly, then they also offer a concierge migration service. That's what it's free to migrate everything across to AWeber from a different supplier. So even if you're not using AWeber, it could be one to have a look at in the future. Obviously, it connects to various different things as well. Easily connects with Facebook, Shopify, WordPress, PayPal, Etsy, WooCommerce, all those sort of things. I think they've got about 200 different places where you can actually integrate your AWeber sign-up forms. Obviously, they've got the mobile apps as well, so you can check everything on the go. You can obviously got the AWeber Atom, you've got the Curate and the AWeber Stats, and this can all be done via your mobile. Once you've got your AWeber actual account live, you can go into landing pages and then you can go and choose one of these templates that you can use. So you'll need no hosting, no website, nothing at all to actually start building your email list, because these are fully customizable to whatever offer you're actually promoting. And then you can go and obviously create first email list from scratch. Okay, so how do you get traffic to your email list? Well, tomorrow we're going to go through a video which is going to show you various different ways where you can get free traffic. But today, because of the video, we're just going to show you one, and that is going to be YouTube. Now, don't panic. Again, if you don't want to, if you're thinking, oh no, I could never do video, never have my face on the video, etc., don't panic. This is where my other free resource is going to come in, so stay tuned. We're going to show you where you can go and create videos very, very quickly with a minimal effort, and you don't even have to have your face on the video. So stay tuned, and we'll show you that very shortly. But like I say, YouTube is definitely the way to go. As you can see here, this is my YouTube channel, and I actually drive traffic from this all the time. You've got links up here which you can place in your header. So this is a one way of getting free traffic from there. And the other way obviously is to add links within your description of your, let's just choose this video here quickly. And if we scroll down and show them more on the description, we've then got links here within the description, a couple of different links where I am actually, during the video, I will then tell people to go and click that link, which will then drive them back to that particular page, offer or product or whatever. So that's the easiest way that I have found, and the most simplest free way to get started. YouTube is very easy to get started, and I'm sure we'll do some videos to how you can get your YouTube channel up and running very, very quickly in future videos. So stay tuned there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so then you don't actually miss those videos. So okay, I promised you a free resource of where you can go and create videos for free. So, and that is Vidnami. Now Vidnami obviously is like you say, is just point and click video maker. There's no experience required, and it is literally so simple, guys. It is unbelievable. You can have obviously different video clips within it. You can obviously have wording, so you could put a whole, for argument's sake, group of text in there, and it'll create the video for you, create all your slides for you. It is phenomenal, really is. For someone that doesn't want to be in front of camera, this is the way to go. And obviously you get a free trial for this, so you can go and try it absolutely free. So therefore it doesn't cost you a penny. You can create videos literally in a few minutes. So if you've got a group of videos you want to go and make, hook up to their free trial, go and try it out, and then obviously go and make a bunch of videos. Then you can then obviously upload them to YouTube, put some links in the description, etc., and start driving traffic to your opt-in pages and building your list. So straight away, that is the sequence you want to do. Get your autoresponder, get your offers that you want to offer, start building your list by building the landing pages, then drive traffic to those landing pages. And a good way to do that is through YouTube. And then you start building your email list, so then you can create emails that go out automatically and then either drive them back to different offers or to your blog or back to YouTube to watch more videos. The choice is yours. That's your traffic. You own it. You can then drive it wherever you like. Okay, I trust you found that really useful. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up. If you're using AWeber or you're using another email provider, then basically let me know in the comments below which one you're actually using. It'd be really good to know. And obviously let me know if you're going to go and use the AWeber free account. Also make sure to check out our other email marketing videos here. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make more videos. Okay, we'll see you on tomorrow's video. We're going to be talking more about free traffic.